The 21st century is all about technology. We've got high-tech phones, cameras, and cars. It's time to bring the technology into your home to make your life easier.
A smart home, it enhances the client's lifestyle. There are many, many homes that we visit where the client has great technology, but because of the way it's deployed, they struggle with how to operate it. We discuss what are the client's concerns, what are the needs that they've identified, and then after that discussion, we create a proposal.
Since 1986, Aaron's Home Tech has been helping homeowners in the Atlanta area and Lake Country create the smart home of their dreams.
I'm an engineer by education, worked as a process engineer in the electronics business. That's how this business started. The magic that we create is, in our goal to make the home simple to operate and to enhance the client's lifestyle, we have taken and consolidated all the audio-visual in the house. Every resource is available in every room, and it operates exactly the same way, even though TVs can be different, music system can be different. So the client only has to learn how to operate one remote and one app to control all the things in their home.
There's so many things that home technology offers now that it's a lot of decisions the homeowner has to make, and there's an education process involved in that. Charles is great at explaining that, really helping the homeowner, the client, figure out what it is they want to have happen in their house for their lifestyle.
It's not only about making your life easier, it's about making your life safer.
Well, there's a lot of benefits. It's infinitely programmable. Security obviously is great to have. Surveillance is something that we're putting in more and more homes. And most of our clients are out of town. One of the beauties of that system is they can go online from anywhere around the world and they can see what's happening in the house, or they can open the gate for somebody, for example, from across the world. It makes the house a lot safer and a lot more user-friendly when it's set up right.
Aaron's Home Tech technicians are highly trained and always available to help. While this technology can be sophisticated behind the scenes, they make sure it's always simple for you to use.
I've known Charles and I've known the people at Aaron's Home Tech for 15 plus years, and he is exceptional at customer service and being available, or his staff is available pretty much 24/7. The beauty of what Aaron's Home Tech does is they bring all these technologies together into one application, and you've got one place to go to run your house, and it really is just a much more robust, a much more seamless and simple solution.
Aaron's Home Tech also offers a support program to keep your technology up and running for the long term.
We have a ton of experience doing what we do. If you want the ability to pull out one app and turn on your lighting, access your cameras, control your security, answer your front door, your gate, then that's where we can help.
For more information, visit their website, aaronshometech.com or designingspaces.tv.